Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will try to make this simple basket on the SolidWorks. For this we will be using like circular pattern. It is something easy. Let's start. Start choosing part and now front plane normal. Start sketch like always. And then I want to start with center line over here. So we can rotate like according to this center line. And then one more center line to here like that, and let's put let's 10 millimeters. It's up to you, like whatever you want. You can make it 20, 30, like 50. It's just up to you. And then I want to make it spline for this. Okay, something like that, but it will not look good in this way, so let's make it like that. Okay, it looks better. So after that, what we will do, if you want, you can choose this two corner, this from this 2 point, let's say 35, so it will make it a little bit longer. And then revolve boss and base, we will just click OK. It says that our sketch is not closed, but it's not a big deal. We will not use this. It's just for main body, let's say. Okay, we have this one right now. And then what we have to do, let's make it normal like that. And then we came to here, front plane, and then sketch line we will use. And then from this corner to this corner. Okay, we made one line because we need our line on this body, but right now it's on the front plane. So what we have to do, exit from sketch, go to features, curves, project curve, and then we will choose our line. And then like as you can see here, we need body like face. If you want, you can choose just here, or you can also choose here, but when you choose it, as you can see, it's kind of broken from here, so it won't be good for us, so we will not choose it. Okay, right now we have one line on the body as we want. And then what we will do, we will just hide this first, and then we have our line, kind of curve, let's say. And then sweat, pose and base, and circular profile, and choose the line. And as a thickness, I don't know, like let's put 2.5. Okay, we have one sweep right now. And then what we have to do, we have to make it more, like we cannot make basket with just one sweep. So what we have to do, we have to show, like we need also one sketch to rotate, like like for pattern. We can choose show, like we will show this first sketch which we made, and then from here we will come and choose circular pattern and direction. We will choose our center line, and then we don't want feature, we want body, and then we will choose our body. If you want, you can make it even like 35, but it will be too intense in my opinion, because after that we will make mirror for this to the other side like that. Right now it's like that, as you can see, and then we will make it like that. So let's make it 25. Okay, we have this one right now like that, but as you can see it's kind of thick, so we can make it 2 millimeters. Okay, it looks better. And then as you like, it's up to you, you can make it even 5 millimeters. And then mirror, because as you can see it's just one way, we need also other way right now. And we will choose our front plane because we were doing everything on the front plane. And then we don't need secondary. We will just choose our body. We will come to here and like that, choose all of them. As you can see, we choose all of them right now. And then click OK. Right now, it looks like basket right now. Okay. And then what we can do? But it doesn't look good right now here. So we can just hide this one, or not this one, actually this one. Also we can hide this one. Yeah. And then we can show this one. And then what we will do? As you can see, like the ending point over here. We can choose our feature one more time. And then circular profile. And let's make it 3 millimeters. And then we will choose. And click OK. And then we don't need this like body. We will just hide it. Show this one and this one. But we were hiding this actually. Okay, and this one. Oh, when you do like that, it also shows that like the main body. So what we can do, we can hide this one first. And yeah, when you have this problem, when you show this and like if you can see this with this one, it means that you made it merge with this body. So what you have to do for this, you will come to feature, like as you can see, when you hide this, it's also like disappear. So make it like that. Go and edit feature and then unmerge. And then right now when you hide this, it's not disappearing. So you won't have any problem like that. And then let's hide this. And then hide also our curve. We have our basket right now. But as you can see, we have little problem over here. So what we can do, not this one, we can go to our circular pattern and we can make it 30. And then on the mirror feature, I'm sorry, we can also choose these ones. So we choose all of them right now. Okay, now we don't have any problem. And then we can just choose the color. Let's choose something nice. So we have something like that. Okay. If you have any question or comments, please put a comment, like the videos. See you on the next one. Bye bye.